Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.R.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic called Working with Measures Dimension, which was present in the tableau workspace. So before started into the video, I am just telling you about what is meant by measure, what is meant by dimension. Measures is nothing but it is a quantitative and numerical value what we are going to measure. It is maybe of sales, profit and quantity. So dimension is nothing but it is going to provide some measures about that product. It may be of geographical location and categories, dates, about date of that particular product. Dimension are often break down or categorize the dimension. Next one will be the data connection. Data connection is nothing but it going to connect the data sources by using the control panel. It is present inside the left side of the tableau workspace. What it do is it going to identify and drag the fields into the data source tab to place the data into whether it is in the measure tab or a dimension tab. Next one will be the building the data visualization. How we are going to build a data through the visualization. So for that we have to drag the measure value on a column side and dimension to be present on a row side. For example, I am going to make place as a sales as a measure. So it going to place in a column side and category as a dimension. So it going to place in a row side for describing the bar chart. Next one will be the aggregating measure. Aggregating measures is nothing but it going to automatically predict the total aggregate measure. So you can choose the aggregate method by clicking the drop down option which is present inside of the tableau workspace. The aggregate functions are minimum, maximum, sum, count, average. So these are the aggregate functions present inside of the tableau workspaces. Next one will be the sorting. Sorting is nothing but it going to align whether it is a ascending order or a descending order. So it is achieved by right click on the dimension or a headers on an axis to sort the data based on the value which are going to arrange manually or systematically. Next one will be the grouping and binding. Grouping is nothing but it going to combine similar dimension members into the one customized group. It is done by using the we are going to right click the dimension members to create a group. Next one will be the binding. Binding is nothing but group continuous measures into the ranges. So it is achieved by right click on the measures and click on the create to create a binding on the measures. So next one will be the filtering. Filtering is nothing but it going to limit the data for the visualization purpose. So it is done by using drag the dimension or measure to the filter shelf and set the criteria whichever you want and whatever you want for the particular measure. Next one will be the dual axis and combo chart. So it is nothing but what it going to do is it going to combine multiple measures or a chart to create a combo chart. So it is done by using we have to select the measure and drag the measure to the existing chart to create the dual chart. Next one will be the tooltip and the label. What the tooltip and the label will do is we are going to customize some of the tools which going to provide the additional information when the user is wants. So next one will be the reference lines and the reference band. The reference lines and reference band is nothing but it going to set what the box will do. For example, if you want to perform a bar plot means what each bar represents. So this is done by using the add reference line and a reference link. Next one will be the geographical visualization. Geographical visualization is done by using we have to select the dimension and choose the geographical field on a row side or a column side. So next will be the calculated field. Calculated field is nothing but you are going to perform some of the calculation inside of the fields. Next one will be the dashboard and story. What it going to do is it going to combine all the sheets into the dashboard and story for the comprehensive presentation. Next, finally, the foremost and final step will be we have to save and share the workbook to the others. So in this video we learned about how the working with measures and dimension in the tableau desktop. Thank you.